Ready?
Yep.
Hi guys!
Hello!
Hello! Long time no see. I apologize. We have been very, 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 very busy with life. We had to get jobs.
Temporarily.
Temporarily, just to get us through. Also, we are been clearing out storage units, going from a very big storage unit to a very small storage unit.
Which is a job in itself.
But anyway, we are here. We are back, and we are going to teach you some more sign language. We have a story today, and this story is The Emperor's New Clothes.
By Hans Christian Andersen.
Yes, so try that. We're going to need to know those signs, so we'll be teaching signs as we tell the story, okay? So your first sign is Emperor. And if you saw the last video, you would see that we did this before. So what was this one? King. King or queen, prince, princess. And now we're going to use, it's more of signed English, but the, so E for emperor, E, and it goes right across like the sash, like that. So emperors, and this is new clothes. All right, so here.
Okay, so I am going to tell the story, and she will do the signs. Once upon a time, there was an emperor.
Whoa! What?
Once upon a time.
That means a long time ago. So it happened in the past. Everything in the past happens behind you.
There lived an emperor who was supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. No.
He was wonderful.
Who really loved clothes. That was the only thing that he cared about. Clothes. Every day he would change his clothes several times and then just throw away the old ones. Now.
Oh, the old clothes.
Old ones, yes, that's what I did.
Old clothes, yes.
Yeah.
So old is, I always think of a beard on an old person. Well, probably an old guy, but that's how I remember.
Which doesn't mean that all guys with beards are old. No.
So old clothes, throw them
Now.
away. And this is change. He changed. So if you're looking at it, you've got, this is the X hand, and they're looking at each other, and they change position.
Okay, so there were two con men. Yes, two thieves.
Kind of two
con
thieves, tricksters, kind of thieves or tricksters. There's two of them.
And they heard about the emperor and the way he loved clothes, his habit of changing habits.
That's a play on words in English.
Yeah.
His habit, his tradition of changing clothes.
Yeah.
His tradition, I believe, changing clothes.
And they decided to trick him.
They decided. I like this one. This is if you're trying to decide between which one, and this is a decision. So it comes from the mind, and it's solid. So they decide to trick the emperor.
Yes. So they go to him, and they say, "Sire, we can make for you the most beautiful clothes you have ever seen. Not only that, these clothes are magical. Because whoever is a fool will not be able to see them."
So I like that one too. This is a fool. The fool,
Yeah.
right over the nose. A fool can't see.
And the emperor thought, I would really like to know who is a fool in my kingdom. So he said to the 2 con men who were pretending to be weavers, or tailors, I should say.
So the con men
Yes.
are pretending.
They're
Acting.
pretending.
Yeah, there we go. Pretending to be like weavers.
Or tailors.
Tailors.
Yes. He said to them, "Here, take some gold and get started right away."
So he gives them gold, and he says, "Start." It's kind of like starting a car engine, a key starting into a lock, turning a lock. Start now.
Okay, so they took the gold and they pretended to work for many days.
So they're acting like
Yes.
they're working. They're acting, performing, pretending as if or like they're working.
So finally they said, "Okay, Your Majesty, the clothes are finished.
Finished.
Here they are." And he said, "Oh, well," and they said, "Don't you like them?" And he says, "Oh, I love them. They are so beautiful. And is it really true that whoever is a fool will not be able to see them?" And they said, "Absolutely, money back guaranteed."
Money back promise. We
Yes.
promise, or you get your money back.
Yes. So he said, "Very well, I will wear these clothes in a parade. And I will find out
I
who..."
like parade too. Sorry.
Yes.
Parade. There's got a whole bunch of people lining up and go, woo.
"And we shall see who is really a fool around here."
We'll understand, we'll see, or we'll understand who is really a fool.
So he put on his invisible make-believe clothes.
Do you see it? We'll put it on over him now. Okay, here we go. Let me tie that for you.
Oh, little tight. There we go.
Oh, sorry.
That's better. Does it match my eyes?
It's beautiful.
Okay.
It's got a nice hood. You see it? You see? Look at that. Look at that hood. It's beautiful, the hood, and it just frames your face so well.
So then he began parading through the streets, and all the people gathered round. And of course, nobody wanted to say that they couldn't see the clothes, because then, yes,
No one to say.
because then other people would think they were fools. So they said, "Oh my, what do you think of the emperor's new clothes?"
So, like, what do you think? Me, I like them.
They're like nothing I've ever seen before.
You know some signs. You can sign.
Yes.
You don't have to do this.
Finally, a boy
Yes.
spoke up and said, "The emperor has no clothes." And everyone was shocked.
What? Wow! What?
And they realized that,
It's not just me.
yes, they realized that he was right.
The boy is right.
They knew that the boy was no fool.
No.
He wasn't old enough to learn how to be a fool yet.
He was too young to be a fool.
Yes.
Yes.
He was just honest enough
And he told the truth.
to tell the truth.
That's
Yes.
true.
So they all began laughing. Ah.
That's you go, ha 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 ha. Or if you're really laughing hard, then you're gonna roll around on the carpet and laugh, and those are your legs sticking up. Ah!
And the emperor heard the laughter, and he realized...
What was the thieves?
I'm sorry, the laughter.
Oh, the laughter. So it goes
laugh-
up. Oh, that's a good point.
Yeah.
So thieves would be kind of like a mustache, I don't know why we kind of associate thieves, people who steal, with a mustache, but laughing will be kind of up and happy. And thieves.
Yeah, and you can also do thieves like this, like drawing a mask across your face or something.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
And the emperor realized he'd been tricked. And he ran away.
Stupid me.
And he ran away to get dressed, probably.
Because he was naked. He
Yes.
didn't have anything on. He was naked.
Now, I hope that the emperor learned a lesson from this.
Yeah, me too.
And I kind of hope that maybe that boy grew up to become emperor himself.
Ah, well, he was wise.
Yes.
All right. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you learned some new signs today and maybe just enjoyed the story. We are planning a video summer. It's in the works for libraries across the nation. And we are in the planning stages right now, but that is developing and that is more than likely going to be happening. So thanks again for watching, and we will catch you next week. We'll bring you a new story. Things are calming down a bit. We don't have storage to go through and rearrange, so I think I can make that promise. And if not, we'll just catch you the week after that. Okay? Thanks, guys. Bye.
See you later.